Hey everyone, so back to show you another video. I finally got my EGR HSP pipe, and yeah, I know I didn't get the actual full-on Y pipe, but you know, obviously money's tight everywhere. Doesn't matter who it is, whose it's for, unless you're like Bill Gates or whatever. But I got the actual pipe and powder coated it white to match everything, the truck. So I'm gonna do the same thing with my. I'm gonna get an HSP intake and hot side intercooler, white, and just kind of go from there. And just gonna do a whole white and black theme. But this is what it comes with. Obviously, it's gonna have a bung for the boost or whatever you want for it, or you can get 2 or 1 or 3, just depending on what you need or what mods you have. And then you always got this the work and it holds it down better, but I kind of got it, but it's pretty clean. I mean, and I'm gonna have Jake over at Diesel Mafia Performance in Blackfoot, sorry, but he's gonna put it on because I really do not want to mess with the whole up pipe. So I'm, instead of getting a blogger plate like some people do, and obviously the up pipe bellow breaks right there and it just snaps and just leaks everywhere and whatnot. I'm actually going to do it right and do LB7, or actually we're going to have it welded where that thing is, so we won't have to worry about that anymore. And then yeah, we'll go from there, but can't wait to get it in. It's super nice and the quality's like perfect. Like there's no flaws in the powder coat at all. But I'm super excited to put it on. So hopefully in less than 2 weeks, I would say, we'll have it on. I'll make a video and hopefully get, you know, it all worked out. But yeah, it comes with the pipe, the boot, and then the coolant that goes from here to here. But yeah, that's just kind of a showing you an update on what's going on. But we should be good to go soon. Get that dumb EGR crap out of there and not have to worry about it. Then get rid of this whole mess and clean up a lot more. So, be great. Stay tuned.